Many attorneys bill their time in 6, 10, or 15-minute increments. This type of billing is known as minimum increment billing. In Board of Professional Responsibility Wyoming State Bar versus Casper, we explore the potential pitfalls of this billing method. Stacy Casper agreed to represent a client in a divorce and custody proceeding. Casper's retention agreement provided that she would bill her time in minimum increments of 15 minutes. It further provided that Casper could file a lien on the client's property to secure payment of her fees and costs. Casper represented her client through the first day of trial, at which time the matter was adjourned for 6 months. Casper later filed a motion to withdraw because the client hadn't paid Casper's bills. The trial court granted Casper's motion, and her former client proceeded to trial without counsel. Casper then filed a lien statement against certain real property with the county clerk to secure payment of her unpaid fees. Casper attached a ledger to the lien statement, detailing the work that she'd performed for her client. The client's ex-husband was the record owner of the real property involved. His attorney contacted Casper and questioned the propriety of the lien. Casper didn't make any effort to correct it. The ex-husband then filed a complaint against Casper with bar counsel. Evidence adduced before the Wyoming Board of Professional Responsibility established that Casper had billed her client 106 times at her minimum billing increment of 15 minutes. Casper acknowledged that most, if not all of the tasks didn't take 15 minutes. Among other things, she billed 15 minutes for reviewing 1 or 2-page documents. She also billed 15 minutes for signing documents such as subpoenas. On several occasions, Casper billed for performing the same task twice. She also billed for tasks that she didn't perform at all. Casper stipulated that her billing practices violated the Wyoming Rules of Professional Conduct. She further stipulated that her attempts to collect her fees also violated the rules of professional conduct. The board recommended that Casper be suspended from the practice of law for 30 days. The matter then came before the Wyoming Supreme Court upon the board's report and recommendation.